You know, medium earthquake still shaking quite a bit.
Do a large one. Level 2. Level 2. No,
this is level 3.